On the last video, I spoke about the throttle lag that this bike has, but researching it online, I found someone that has a ECU remapping thing that you could do with the throttle and stuff. So I'm gonna attempt it on this bike. Comments on that video that people had used it for the 300, 450, and the 650, and they said it worked. So I'm gonna attempt it. You know, I don't lose anything by trying. I did the airbox mod, so I wanna see if maybe if I do that, it'll help with that throttle lag. So let's see a screenshot of what it said to do. It says, make sure your kill switch is on off position. So that's on, that's off. Turn on the key and wait for the system to load. Make sure the TFT shows sport riding mode. All right, let's see. It's loading. Push the kill switch to the on position, but do not start it. Gently grab the throttle grip and start pulling towards full. It should take about 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Hold the throttle grip at full open position for 20 seconds. Let's give it a couple of other seconds. All right, and then it says slowly start releasing the throttle. This should take about 6 to 8 seconds. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hand off the throttle, turn off the key, and then now it says to wait 30 seconds. Let's see, we'll wait the 30 seconds. Let me put the seat on and I'll take it out for a ride. Now if that hack worked, I'm gonna keep this thing for a little bit longer. I'm not gonna sell it for $1,000. Whenever you're trying to do a video, it's either the plane or your neighbor just likes to cut their lawn. There's always something going on when you're trying to do a video in the garage. It's always one thing. You'll see. The neighbors will start cutting their lawn in a minute. Anyway, let me get this going. We're gonna switch over to this camera and we'll take it out, see what we get. Got the camera girl out with me today. I'm not gonna put you on camera, I promise. Yo, what was that? Nah. What the fuck? Yeah, this is crazy. Night and day. Nah, there's no fucking way. Holy crap. There's no freaking way that fixed it. That is crazy. I've had the bike for over 1.5 years. I wish I would have known. This thing feels so good now. I can't believe that fixed it. The Cfmoto might gotten a second chance at life. Eco mode. Initially the startup said to put it on sport. I did the whole process, and on eco mode this thing feels great. So if I switch it over to sport, I wonder if it'll take some of that lag off. I don't know, sport still just has that like little jerkiness that I don't like. Yeah, it just like, it has like this little lag right there. Like, I hate that. Just, it doesn't transition well. On eco mode it just feels so much different. Whatever remapping it did to the ECU, it definitely made eco feel better. Not perfect, but it's a lot better than what it was.